In this video, you're going to learn all about Orpington chickens and why we chose them as our chicken for our homestead. I'm KK and I enjoy sharing what I research to help make homesteading easier. Thank you so much for being here. Chickens were the first farm animal that my sisters and I actually got to pick for our farm. Our parents already had goats and ducks on our farm, but we were selling the duck eggs and people were starting to ask about getting variety. So we decided to get chickens. We did our research and we looked for chickens that would suit all of our purposes. So why? I'll share that after I tell you all about this amazing bird. Orpingtons get their names from Orpington, Kent, which is in Great Britain. A guy named William Cook bred them so that they could be the perfect all-purpose animal. The Orpington is a large fowl with soft feathers that kind of mask its true size. It has a very big breast and a very curved back, which makes it ideal for meat. The Orpington is considered a large fowl, and it does well either contained or free range.
Our Orpingtons have two separate seasons. After harvest, we let our Orpingtons out to free range every morning. But we lock them in an enclosure at night to keep them safe from predators. During the spring and summer, however, we run them in chicken tractors to keep them working the vineyard without jumping onto the trellis wires to destroy vines or eat the grapes.
Their personality is calm and gentle, however their docile disposition can lead to bullying when associated with other chickens.
So yeah, it's probably best to not keep them with aggressive breeds. But we found that they commune well with Indian runner ducks and muscovy ducks, who also happen to be very gentle birds.
Orpingtons lay brown eggs and they have white skin after you butcher them, which makes them an ideal meat bird again. The Orpington has ornamental value and tends to do very well at shows. There are 5 different recognized colors. There's black, blue, lavender, buff, and white. Why did we get Orpingtons? These are some of the reasons that we chose Orpingtons. They have this really nice winter coat, so they're well suited for the winters up here.
Oh, the weather outside is frightening.
They are good birds for meat and eggs.
Dual purpose. We only keep our chickens for 2 egg-laying years, so the 3rd year, hens are processed by our local butcher.
And we get these gorgeous brown eggs from them when they're in laying season.
Our Orpingtons lay medium brown eggs that complement our large white duck eggs.
These are birds that don't fly very well, so we've never had chicken problems with flying, and we never need to clip their wings.
We love their versatility. We can let them free range in the barnyard when they're finished working in the Vineyard chicken tractors. They do quite well free ranging or in our PVC pipe chicken tractors.
They are generally non-aggressive birds. Orpingtons are known for their docile temperament.
We love their gentle nature. We first bought our Orpington chickens when Bunkie was only 3 years old, and we never needed to worry about Bunkie playing with the chickens.
They come in 5 varieties. There's blue, black, buff, and a couple others. But this one is the buff mother and a black rooster. And you can see the lavender color coming out on his back.
Our Orpingtons have splashes of red, lavender, buff, black, and blue. Just look at these pretty ladies. These buff Orpingtons are part of our parent generation. And this last little guy just thinks he's an Orpington too. Yep, there's the story.
And we think that these eggs that we hatched are the cutest chickens we've ever seen. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite breed is and why. If you'd like me to do a video on other breeds or other subjects, I'd be happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments.
In the summer, we sell these multicolored Orpingtons through the mail as fertilized eggs. We also occasionally sell chicks and hens. See the description below for details.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.